beautiful smartphone with some good features and its price point. Let's get into the unboxing. As you can see, there's a silicone case, a power adapter and a micro USB cable, with some documentations are provided along with the smartphone. So here is the smartphone itself with a glossy red color. In terms of design, it comes with a full metallic body that is made out of Series 6000 aluminum. The handset sports a smooth metal back panel, since the metallic body is created by through 7 CNC processes, nano injection molding followed by grinding, sandblasting, diamond trimming and anodizing. Overall, the back feels good to touch and it has an excellent design. The fingerprint sensor can also be seen at the back of the smartphone. The smartphone is really compact and good looking, amazing finish by Lenovo. There is a horizontally aligned dual camera setup at the back, which is a 13 megapixel plus 13 megapixel combo. Also the rear camera setup includes an LED flash. Now it's time to talk about the major specifications of this smartphone. So, the Lenovo S5 packs a 3000 mAh of unsatisfying battery. It has 2 RAM variants, 3 or 4 gigabytes, and it has 3 storage variants, 32 gigabytes, 64 gigabytes, and 128 gigabytes also. For processor, it is powered by Qualcomm's budget chipset, Snapdragon 625, which feels pretty old now. When we move towards the front, there is a 5.7-inch IPS LCD display, which is arranged in an 18:9 aspect ratio, and packing in full.
I don't know why you wanna treat me this way.
HD plus resolution of 2160 into 1080 pixels. It also comes with a 2.5D curved glass at the front. As for some special features, the phone comes with the facial recognition technology. There's a USB Type-C port also, for fast charging and data transfer. So as you can see, the phone is running on Zui OS 4.0 operating system, which is based on Android Oreo. Let's quickly set up this smartphone. Finally, the phone is set up, so it has a capacitive buttons, which are taking a lot space of the display, but there is no need of worry. You can disable it through settings. So here is the U touchscreen gestures. Let's enable it, and just look at the difference. Now it is looking a real 18:9 display smartphone. The gesture animations are not too snappy, but it is fine for day-to-day use. What's your opinion? Would it be a tough competitor for the smartphone like Redmi Note 5 Pro? For my opinion, no. We expected a newer processor on board the device, but that didn't happen. Also, the 3000 mAh battery inside this smartphone would not able to fight against the 4000 mAh battery crammed inside the Note 5 Pro. So there's no chance people would go with this smartphone. However, it is good for camera lovers. The 13 plus 13 megapixel dual rear cameras with a 16 megapixel front camera can attract